Hey guys, I'm gonna be shooting. I was just shooting my rifle. Now I'm gonna be shooting my Stinger P9T. Right there, you can probably see it. I don't know if you can or not, but apparently I haven't done a review on this yet, but then I'll even do it while I'm shooting it. Alright, this goes like 275 feet per second with 0.20 gram BBs. These right here. Actually 12 grams, so these, it probably goes like 250-ish. Like a few feet per second. I'm going to use my speed loader to load it up. Like this. Load it. Put a couple. Okay. Now, how you use this? This is safety. Right here. That's safe. That's not safe. You can pull it. Can't pull it. Alright. Then how this works, it's not CO2 or anything. You cock it. You can turn it off safe and decock it. And the BB will drop right out the front. That's why I like that. This right here, same gestures. So you can be a lefty or a right. And how you load this up is, if you can see, try to get the sun out of the way. Pull that down. Whoops, I pushed it the wrong way. There's a little tab piece right there. You pull it down and push it aside. You load your BBs here, not there. So, alright. Yeah, sometimes it messes. Alright. Load up. I don't know if I'm gonna hit this target. I have a little rest right here, but I'll flip this around, show the target. It's about 20 yards away, so let's see if I can hit it. Alright. It's the same target I was shooting my rifle at. See if I can get that zoomed in a little more. Zoom it out a little bit. It's a little too close. Alright. Go here if I hit anything. Heavy trigger. Oh, hit. This. Oh, ooh. Low. Hit. I have to aim at the top. Like, the top meaning, if you look at the paper, right on the top. About 6 inches above the red dot. I'm out. I'm gonna reload. I'll do one more clip and end this thing. So you can very well, if you want to aim directly at your target, 30 feet's pretty good, but I just have to aim 6 inches higher than that red dot, and I'm hitting the red dot, so. Sometimes it's kind of tricky. Alright. even the misses could be hits. Alright, I'm out. Okay. Accuracy, pretty good. Let me zoom out. Okay. This is real nice pistol, I think. It was only, it was on Walmart. It was Black Friday. Pretty funny. That it was $33, but they brought it down to $25. And I bought it and had like $30, so bought this, and it was about 30-ish bucks to get the whole thing. So if you have $30, it's Black Friday, you can get this, but you need just maybe a bit more, maybe $40-ish if you want to fully buy this pistol for full price. But this plus shipping is $33 to $35. But it's a real nice pistol. I recommend it if you like springers. And I like springers. You can see sniper, and then this. But pretty good. Shoots babies pretty good too. But alright, that's it for this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. More videos to come.